So your bracelet snap is too tight. It's too hard to snap it, or it's too difficult to unsnap it. Well, we'll be using this bracelet here, this Stylix piece, to demonstrate the problem and the solution. Now, I can open it, but it requires a lot of pressure. Very, very much pressure. I really don't like that. So what we have to understand is there's a hook right here, a J-shaped hook. Let's have a closer look at this hook to understand what we're doing. Yep, there is the J hook right there. And that hook is actually going to clip around this tab right here. Let me show you with my thumb right there. That's the tab that hook is going to clip over. And there's a bit of friction there. That's why you have to squeeze it very hard. Here you can see the hook as it just is about to snap over that tab. Well, the problem is this hook is too close to the tab. Yeah, we could bend the hook up, but we don't want to bend that hook. It's so small and so easy to damage it. What we want to do is pull the hook further away. And we're going to do this by straightening this curve. Sometimes you'll be able to do this with your hands, or you'll be able to do it against the corner of a table. But with a good solid clasp, I'd recommend a pair of pliers. To keep your bracelet from getting scratched up during this evolution, we'll go ahead and gently wrap this around the steel. And remember, it's good to always make small adjustments in check. So what we're going to do is slightly straighten this, just very, very, very slightly. I'll give it a couple of gentle bends, very, very gentle. And it doesn't take much, not much at all actually. Now, that is straighter as we can see. And that means the J hook is going to be further away from the tab now because we've made this line straighter and longer. Now it's going to slide on there more easily. There's not as much pressure. Very comfortable, and should be able to open that with no troubles now. There we go. So that is exactly how you adjust the snap pressure. Hope that helps.